Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Brandon and welcome back to another video. So today for this video we're gonna do Sprezza Box. Now if you've seen my videos before, you know that I review and unbox quite a few boxes. Birchbox, Gentleman's Box, and Sprezza Box. Sprezza Box is just like Gentleman's Box, except this one is $28 a month and it gets to you pretty quick. And a lot of the items that come in the box, you know, are actually really nice and high quality. So Sprezza Box typically is going to be themed or something like that. Everything that comes in the box is meant to be worn together. So for instance, if you're wearing a suit, you don't need to match your tie with a pocket square. You don't have to go through that anymore. They do it for you right here. Anyways, let's open this up and see what we got for the month of August. This is August box and see what we got. First thing I see are socks. Again, with every box, you're going to get socks, tie, and pocket square, and a few other men's trinkets is what I call them, men's items. But socks, they're kind of like dark blue and a light blue, and they're kind of thick and heavy, but they're nice. They're really nice socks. Next thing is a tie. It's a light blue tie made with dark blue polka dots. Not sure if you guys can, there you go. You guys should be able to see it now. It's actually a really nice tie. Again, goes great with the socks. And then you also get a pocket square to go along with all that. Just a pocket square with some design on it, which is pretty cool. And see how well they match everything all together. Now, in my opinion, I think this might be a little bit too much blue, but it still looks good and works together. The next thing that we got in here is gonna be a nice little leather case with collar stays. You get 2 big ones and 2 small ones, and these are metal collar stays, so you can reuse them over and over. You know, for those days that your collar just isn't working with you, just has a day of its own. Stick these bad boys in there and you're good to go. Keep them collars nice and sharp. And then next we got feels like a tie clip, which is from Sprezza Box. Comes in this burlap bag, this mini burlap bag, and it's a tie clip, just a regular silver tie clip, nothing fancy. It's definitely made for a skinny tie though. And then last but not least, we have a lint roller, but it's not an actual roller. It's got, you know, I don't know if you guys have ever seen these type before. You just kind of like, the friction kind of gets all the lint off. Let's see if I can get any. I don't know, I'm pretty well linted up already. But yeah, it gets a little bit. These things are actually pretty good to stick in your travel bag, on your pocket, and you lint yourself real quick. And you don't have to replace the paper, keep ripping off that paper. You just kind of pull that crap off and you're good to go. So anyways, that's this Sprezza Box for the month of August. And as always, I really enjoy these boxes. I think they're great, especially for people who have trouble with matching ties and socks and pocket squares. They do a great job of sending you a curated box that's already meant to be worn together. And that's Sprezza Box. I love it. 28 bucks a month, you can't beat it. All right, now I wanted to talk to you guys real quick because I've been thinking about trying to figure out a way to get some traction to my channel. And one of those ways that I've been thinking about is giving away these boxes. Just these, Sprezza Box only. Not the other ones, not yet at least. But if you guys think that would be a good idea, let me know in the comments. I'm interested in seeing how many people would interact if I started giving away free stuff, because that's what I'm trying to do, is get some more traction. And who doesn't like receiving free stuff? Everybody likes getting free stuff. I mean, come on. Haven't quite figured out the details yet, but I'm thinking it'll be something like I'll pick somebody random out of the comments, and that's the person that will get a free Sprezza Box every month. Not every month, same person, but every video. Again, don't worry about the details, just let me know what you guys think. Should I give these boxes away? Won't be this one, but it might be the next one. So if you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, and so you can definitely be notified when I put out another box, because you might get a chance of getting a free one. Anyways, that's it. that concludes this video. And again, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.